Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Fetch.ai. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share my price prediction for this upcoming bull run of 2025. But before we begin, go in the description below and click the link that takes you to my Telegram group. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever. So make sure that you join the group as soon as possible, because this is where I post all the trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day. Low caps, mid caps, large caps, AI tokens, meme coins, gaming projects, RWAs, deep in coins, all that good stuff. You can find it on my Telegram group. So join as soon as possible. Click the link in the description. And do me a solid, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, and let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Fetch.ai is currently ranked number 27th. However, the name is a little different here. Notice that now it's called Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. This is because this Artificial Superintelligence Alliance is basically a collaboration between three of the leading AI crypto projects: Fetch.ai, SingularityNet, and Ocean Protocol. And the alliance is currently in between the two key phases of combining the utility tokens into a single token called ASI. That's why you see this name here. The price is currently at $1.40, and the market cap is sitting at 3.42 billion. Now, before we look at the charts, let's take a look real quick at this About section to find out more about what is Artificial Superintelligence Alliance and what is Fetch.ai. So Fetch.ai was founded in 2017, and it's basically an artificial intelligence lab building an open, permissionless, decentralized machine learning network with a crypto economy. Fetch.ai democratizes access to AI technology with a permissionless network upon which anyone can connect and access secure databases, datasets, by using autonomous AI to execute tasks that leverage its global network of data. The Fetch.ai model is rooted in use cases like optimizing DeFi trading services, transportation networks, parking, micro-mobility, smart energy grids, travel, and essentially any complex digital system that relies on large-scale datasets. So that's pretty interesting, guys. This is one of the hottest AI tokens in the market right now. We see many keywords here, like DeFi, data, AI, of course. So they have real-world utility. And Fetch.ai's utility is only one of the three crypto projects that provide some type of unique utility to this ASI token. So what Fetch.ai can do is basically 1/3 of the utility that this token that's called ASI holds. For the sake of the video, we are going to talk about Fetch.ai only. But in the future, we are going to talk about the rest of the tokens that are part of this Artificial Superintelligence Alliance token. Now, this is their website. It looks really nice. You can find it at Fetch.ai. I'm not going to waste a lot of time here. The main reason that I wanted to show you this is because of the partnerships that they have. Look at this: OpenAI, Meta, Facebook, NVIDIA, Bosch, Gemini, Twilio is really big, and many more. So they have huge partnerships, guys. It's not a coincidence that this token is one of the hottest tokens in the market right now. And this is their X account. You can find them at Fetch_AI. Look what it says here: develop, deploy, and orchestrate multi-agent systems in an open AI agents marketplace with Fetch.ai. And Fetch.ai is basically one of the founding members of the ASI Alliance. You can find their X account at ASI_Alliance. This is it here. Artificial intelligence must be open, decentralized, and built for the benefit of all sentient beings. They have been pretty active. However, they only have a little less than 88,000 followers. And that's not a good representation of the community that is behind this token. For example, On their X account, they have over 236,000 followers. And I bet if we check the other two tokens, Ocean Protocol and SingularityNet, they also have more followers on Twitter than what the ASI X account has here. So they have a huge community behind them, but you are not able to see that yet. All together combined, they must have over 500,000 followers. This is the chart. We are looking at Fetch.ai USDT daily chart on Binance. This token has experienced a bull run before. In 2021, we had a nice run up all the way up to $1.40. And after people took profits, after the distribution phase, we entered the markdown phase and then accumulation phase again. And recently, on February, March, and April of 2024, Fetch.ai popped hard, all the way up to $3.47. And this is the all-time high. Since then, we've been pulling back, moving inside this pattern here, this falling wedge that has a chance of breaking to the upside of about 65 to 70%. And I gave you this setup when the price action was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. This is when I gave you the first time this setup for the first time. And I told you there are two ideas going on. First idea would be a pullback all the way down here to this lower descending support trend line. And I told you be careful. If we see a pullback, watch for a bounce here. This might be a very good opportunity for us traders and investors to front run the breakout above this falling wedge pattern. And this is what happened. We had a nice bounce here and the price slowly crept up to this upper descending trend line that acted as a resistance. As you see here, we got rejected. This can be considered a rejection. And finally, price broke above this falling wedge, as it was expected. And then the other idea that I shared with you while the price action was moving around here, I said, watch for a bounce here. These are the types of charts that I share, the type of ideas that I share on my Telegram group. So click the link in the description so you can join now for free. So what happened with Fetch.ai is we had an initial pullback. We experienced a bounce here at this key level of support located at 0.78. And then the price action moved up and then broke above that upper red descending trend line of resistance. And we had a retest, turning that previous key trend line of resistance into a support. So what happens now? If we zoom in on the daily chart, we see that the price action got rejected around here on the 200 simple moving average. What I really want to see doing is breaking above this 200 simple moving average. This is going to be really bullish. On the daily chart, I see this pattern here. Look at this. Make this thicker so you guys can see. It looks like we broke above it. Therefore, what I am doing right now is I am watching for a bounce here at this key level of support that's located at $1.34. If the price action breaks below this key level of support, and we see something like this, the next very important level of support that I have here on the chart that I expect Fetch.ai to bounce is located at $1.10. That depends on Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. However, right now, things are looking really bullish. The total crypto market cap is moving up higher and higher every single day. So it's very possible that we see a bounce somewhere around here and a continuation move to the upside, hitting the rest of the targets in the coming days and weeks. Now, I want to zoom in to the 15-minute chart because I have another pattern that I want to bring to your attention. If we zoom into the 15-minute chart, look, I see Fetch.ai pulling a continuation pattern. Look at this. This is the one upper trend line for sure that looks pretty legit. We have over 3 touches here. And we are currently testing this. And many people were talking about a triangle pattern here, something like this. However, the price action broke below this triangle pattern and people turned bullish. So I think many people sold. However, the fact that the price action bounced right here at this key level of support located at $1.34 and came back inside the triangle, that's kind of bullish. And this triangle pattern became valid again. So as long as the price action moves inside this triangle pattern, it has a very high chance that this pattern, since it's a bullish continuation pattern, is going to break to the upside. So watch for a breakout here, buy the breakout, scale in on the retest if it happens, and wait for a continuation move to the upside so you can take some profits. The next target that I have here on the chart, based on Fibonacci levels, is located at $1.54. And from the breakout to this level, that's almost a 10% move, which is an amazing move for Fetch.ai, guys, because it has a market cap of 3.41 billion already. So Fetch.ai needs a lot of liquidity in order to make moves like that. The next target that I have here on the chart is located at $1.89. And from the breakout of this to the next target, that's a 35% move. And I think Fetch.ai is heading there slowly. This chart looks really bullish. Let's zoom out to the 1 hour so you can see it better. I have more targets here on the chart for you. You can join my Telegram group so you can see these targets better. And $3.47 is pretty much this all-time high that Fetch.ai put in back in March of 2024. And the measured move from the current levels to that all-time high, that's approximately a 147% move. I think Fetch.ai is going to make this happen slowly in the coming weeks and months. And I expect Fetch.ai to break above that previous all-time high. Basically, from the current levels, I expect Fetch.ai to pull at least a 10x move that is going to bring us at this price level that's located at $14. I think AI as a narrative has been pretty hot. It has been outperforming the rest of the market. And therefore, that's a very good indication that it's going to outperform the rest of the market during this upcoming bull run of 2025. So I am pretty bullish on AI tokens and specifically on Fetch.ai. So I think that this token can easily pull a 10x move all the way up here. Now, if Fetch.ai manages to creep up all the way to this $14 price level, that means that it's going to have... What do you think, guys? Can Fetch.ai pull a 10x move during this upcoming bull run of 2025? Leave a comment below and tell me what's your price prediction for Fetch.ai for 2025. I really want to know what you think. That's all I had for you today. Watch Fetch.ai for a breakout above this bullish continuation pattern that you see if you zoom in to the 15-minute chart. Also, what I forgot to tell you is that maybe this triangle pattern might not be a triangle pattern since we broke below this here. This can be something like a falling wedge. Look at this, moving inside this like that. So watch for a breakout above this falling wedge. Buy the breakout, buy the retest, wait for continuation, move to the upside so you can take profits on one of the targets that I have here on the chart. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.